cardboard, skunks, slug pellets. What do they have in common? They're all about the deep mulch. They're questions I received just the last couple days. Let's take a look. We haven't started planting this side of the garden yet, which is the newest side. And if you were with me when we expanded, you saw I did a demonstration by just sowing some cardboard down here. We've talked a lot about the mulch as being a cold compost. You don't have to do this. Some people really like to. So I'm just going to demonstrate. I don't have enough cardboard to fill this whole area, so I'm not going to do it to the whole area. But you can put cardboard down. That's one good barrier. I'm not just putting it where it's bare. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on this grass, and I'm going to just start making a pile. I'm going to go ahead and make a pretty nice pile right here in the corner. I don't want to block the gate right now. Right now is a good time to take a look and see what we got. So I know there's cardboard right here. And this is going to be so much easier than trying to get through that little bitty gate. You just pile it up. We're going to bring in some more wood chips and put in here. And if I was planting seeds or anything else, we take it straight down to the soil. I know I put a whole bunch right in this corner because it's right off the edge here. See if we can't find some. And right here is my experience anytime I have put the cardboard down. Now, if you're just starting a garden, you put your cardboard down, then you put your mulch on top of it. I would dig back to where you were going to plant. I would just poke holes through the new cardboard and drop your seeds down those holes. Use it as a spacer. And this is what cardboard under the mulch looks like in under 6 months. It's just gone. We like the root stout method. Scatter seeds, good soil contact, a little bit of mulch. When they sprout, we're off to the races. So one of the questions I got was, we have skunks around our mulch. They're digging up grubs. What's the best way to repel skunks? We've been doing quite a little bit of spring cleaning, and that was to get the weeds and the leaves out of the hot wire. That's the best result I know. Keep the critters out. We do have fence, we do have electric fence, and I do have a live trap when we caught Chubby. I really don't suggest trapping a skunk for the obvious reasons. Even getting close to, you can get sprayed pretty good. Granulized castor oil is about the best, non-lethal way you can discourage most critters. Now what I've been doing, and we planted this yesterday and I didn't put any down, I just sprinkle a little bit in each row, whether I got seeds or whether I've got plants. And that actually kind of keeps the critters from digging around the plants. 2 years ago, we had voles get into the garden. They ate almost the entire sweet potato crop. Leaves looked great. There was almost no sweet potatoes left. That's when I found out about castor oil. And this is pretty safe. One thing is, your cats aren't going to like coming and hunting in your garden anymore if you put a bunch of this down. I'm not sure how well it works on skunks. I use a hot wire for the larger critters. That's good for armadillos, groundhogs, possums, raccoons, rabbits. I'm assuming skunks. So that's a hard one because a lot of these actually work in our favor. They're digging up grubs, which make beetles, which chew on our plants. So unless they're actually tearing up the garden, and what I really had a problem with was the armadillos. They're little tanks and they just burrow and plow and tear everything up. The voles, they eat the roots. That's not a good thing either. Now like the possums, they just dig little holes. Same with the raccoons, and they grab the grubs and they're out. I came to a happy medium. I put a little electricity around the garden just to help discourage. I know I'm gonna lose some things to critters, but I don't wanna lose it all. Unfortunately, the slugs like the deep mulch as much as the rest of the life that we need to make our gardens grow better. So there again, it's a trade-off. There is an organic slug bait. Check this out. The active ingredient in this is iron phosphate. They're both elements. They're both found in the soil. This one is safe. I've been using it for a couple years, and we haven't had any problem with our pets. We're just like all the planting I've been doing. I put just a few pellets down each row. Now here's a bonus question that I've been asked several times. What about weeds in your deep mulch? You put hay down. Yeah, look, got a little patch of weeds coming up. I knew this was going to happen, and I've been watching this. I was going to show you. It's just in the top layer. Those seeds germinate, you flip it over, becomes part of your mulch. And by doing that, those roots never get down into the soil. You make more mulch, you eliminate those seeds, and you stir your mulch together. It's a win-win-win. I hope some of the questions from the mailbag were helpful. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.